So in this program, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to format or combine strings in Python using an F string, the plus method, and join method. So let's create a new file string concatenation. So first, we have F string method. So first I declare a name, and assign it with the value Jade. Then I wrote output plus equals to F heiser. Then inside the curly braces, we have the value of name. So print output. So as you can see in the output, we have the value of name. Then when we print output, it all come together. Next is plus method. Here I create two variables A and B with values Andre and Ryan. So when I print A plus double quotation, so there's a space between them, so then plus B. So let's print it out. As you can see, the result is Andre Ryan. Next is we have the join method. So first I created a list called word that contains 3 string. First string is subscribe, then second string is 2, then third string is Andre. So we have 3 strings in one data type. Then output equals double quotation that join, and inside open and close parenthesis we have the value of words. Then print output. As you can see, that's the output, subscribe to Andre. So to explain the tree, string formatting is the process of combining text and variables in Python to create clean and readable outputs. Plus method uses the plus sign to join 2 or more strings together. It's a simple way to connect words or variable into one line of text. And join method is used to combine multiple strings that are stored inside the list. So this is the code sample of the program I created, and this is the output. So these are examples of concatenations in Python language.